is the second nature of man. It comes so spontaneous that we keep on repeating the good or the bad habits on a day-to-day basis. Today I am going to share with you 3 R's which are very effective yet very simple and which would help you to transform some of your usual habits and build a great personality. Now, have you ever wondered that when to start a new habit? See, every day you are very busy in your day-to-day schedule. But then there are days when you stop and you think that you deserve much more than what you are getting. You're worth of doing much more. It is then that you decide to transform yourself. And when you decide to transform yourself, you decide to change some of your usual habits. So let's check it out. But how do you change your habits? I will discuss the 3 R's one by one. The first R is reason. Your day-to-day habits, good or bad, has a great controlling power on your mind. It leaves a permanent impression on your mind, which is very long lasting. So, in order to transform your habits, you need a strong reason which would help you to transform your habit. Let me give you a personal example. I was very inclined to watching videos and Netflix before going to bed. It went on for days and months, as a result of which I was not having a good sleep. And the next morning would be very tiring. This went on for months. Suddenly, it affected my health. And when it affected my health, I got a strong reason to change my habit. So what I did, I stopped watching these videos, Netflix, just 2 hours before going to bed. As a result of which, I got a good night's sleep. And the next day was very fresh. So there is a strong reason for each and every one of you. You need to find out. Now the second R, which is a bit technical but very effective. That is realistic. Don't be too ambitious in the first step. Practice small steps at a time. Be successful in your first step, and then that would be a tonic for the next step, the next, and so on. Now there is a technical way of doing it. It is called SMART. So this realistic part is very important. What is SMART? SMART is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. I'll give you an example. Specific. I am currently, say for instance, which I am not doing, but just for an example, I am currently waking up at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. in the morning, and I wish to change this habit to 5 a.m. in the morning. So the specific part will be, I wish to wake up at 5 a.m. within 1 month. Is it measurable? Yes, I've given 1 month. Is it achievable? Yes, of course. Because it's not 3 a.m., It's only 5 a.m. It is achievable. Is it realistic? Yes. I need to make it realistic. Say for 1 week, it would be from 8 a.m. to 7 a.m. After 1 week is over, then 6 a.m. in the next week, third week 5 a.m. Now this activity after 1 month would become my habit. And it is time bound, of course, because I have given a time of 1 month. You should always give a targeted time for any of your habits. So, a little task for you. Set one realistic habit for yourself with a reason and send it to me in my comment section. You could also send me by email. Now the third and a very important part of it. You already have a reason. You know how to do it in a realistic way. Now is the third R, that is regularity. Practice your new activity on a day-to-day basis, and every day your mind would always find excuse to escape from this regular practice. But you need to have a firm willpower and a determination. So to summarize, the 3 R's, reason, realistic and regularity, are required in transforming your habits and your personality. Hey guys, I'm Autobi. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to get notified of all my upcoming videos. Before I sign off, be kind and become the best version of yourself. Thank you very much.